Modeling a reinforced, multi-storied concrete building in robot structural analysis includes several steps. After beginning a new project, the first procedure is to define the stories for the building. To begin, from the text menu, select Geometry, Structure Type. A dialog displays. From here, click Building Design. Selecting a structure type changes the application layout. Note that building design is not a structure type, but a template which facilitates defining the structure type. The available coordinates and nodal degrees of freedom for the building type are the same as ones for shells. To define stories for the building, from the text menu, select Geometry, Stories. The Stories dialog displays. Under Define the Building Base Level, click in the Building Base Level field and enter -2.1. This defines the basement base level. Click Set. Next, define the basement top level. To do this, under Define Stories, with the Define Graphically selected, in the top level field, enter 0.2. Click Add. The defined story appears in the Defined Stories list with an automatically assigned name of Story 1. After the basement top level is defined, it's time to create a repetition of stories. Under Define Stories, select Define Manually. The reference level is set to Story 1. Under Number of Repetitions, enter 4. This will define 4 stories for the building. In the height field, enter 3.5. Click Add. Again, the list of defined stories updates, with colors assigned to each story. To finalize the definition of stories, click Apply, and then click Close. Defining stories is an essential step in creating a multi-storied building.